Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. At right now, nasa bahay tayo guys. Isang madali ang video lang kasi... May ano ba? Wala. Anyway, isang madali ang video lang kasi dumating yung aking order from Shein. And yeah, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung aking mga in-order. Wait lang. Ito na! Daran! Mabilis lang to guys kasi lowbat yung camera ko. Anyway, so, I ordered it 3 weeks ago. Ngayon siya dumating. And then, kailangan ko ng mga blouses, guys, kasi lumalaki ako ba. Alam yun, kasi tumatanda na, ewan ko ba, basta yung mga damit ko, masikip na, ganyan. Tapos, sa Shein ako bumili kasi, mura lang siya, naka-discount. Hindi ko na maalala magkano to lahat, pero super discounted siya kasi yun naman talaga yung mga binibili ko, yung kung saan ako nakakamura. So anyway, ito na siya. There you go. Isang madali, mag-open na tayo.
Is there anything for me?
No.
Is there anything for me?
No, Martin, it's all mine. But then again, I will buy you some later on. But for now, this is what I got. First package, first blouse. Let's open it up. It's like all flowers. It's because nga summer dito. And then, yun yung parang naka-sale. So, yun yung mga binili ko. So, anyway, this is from Shein, as I said. And then, they got this, parang sa Shein, parang may mga group siya. Kung anong brand, ganyan. So, ito siya Daisy. Pa-Daisy talaga. So, this one is nice. Parang flowy lang. Ganyan. And, oh my god, nagre-red na yung guys. But anyway, that one, I like that. It looks big, pero, ganun yung parang, niya, yung style niya, parang loose fit, ganyan. So, that's number 1. My god! Bilis. Number 2. Where's the number 2? Oh, this one looks big. Maybe not. Anyway, this is also size small.
If it's big, then there's a chance it will fit.
Daisy din siya. Parang gusto. Parang maganda yung Daisy sa sa Shein actually. Looks big pero maganda din siya. Tingnan nyo naman, pa-flowers din. Ganyan. Second yon. Meron pa. I think yung mga nabayaran ko nito mga nasa all in all mga 200 plus crowns. Tapos this is the third one. Oh, this was the, like, I feel like this is so nice for, if there's like a party or something and then it's
nice for what? Another girl?
No, but it's like, you see, it's see-through. But I saw a picture of this. Sa niya, sa model. Ang ganda. So, sabi ko nga, pero it was on sale also. So, I'm like, okay, I don't think it hurts if I buy that. I mean, it's like 50 crowns. So, anyway, that's the third one.
Wow.
Pasensya na guys, yung ilong ko ba? I got a allergy. So, this is the fourth one. Oh, it feels like it's just the same with the other one. But anyway, naka-see-through din siya. Pero I feel like pag sinuot to, gaganda naman siya kahit paano. But anyway, Daisy din. Lahat pala na mabinili ko, Daisy. Yan. Magkano na yun? Ilan na yun? 4. So, there is this one. This one actually is, I've been seeing a lot of people wearing this kind of style. Oh.
Very Greek inspired.
Is it?
Yes.
Ano yun siya guys? See, so I don't know if I like it. I was expecting
I think it's actually cute.
Really? I was expecting it to be...
You bought something similar like that when we were in Greece.
I did? Okay.
Yes, you did.
But it's like I did not expect
it's really cute on you.
The
really,
fabric is like
really
this.
enhance your mild...
4. This is the number 5. There.
Really enhance the mild attitude you have towards other people.
That was number 5.
Yeah, it really brighten up your mood.
Number 6. It's also, I bought really everything is like Daisy style. Anyway, this is the number 6. There. And then, ano siya, short sleeve. Hindi ganun ka short sleeve, pero anyway, it looks big, pero
Summer is gone.
pero pag sinuot ko siya, okay naman siya. That's number 6. And then this is the number 7. So actually, I bought 7 items. Oh, this is a dress.
Oh, grabe ay!
Ay, grabe. This one is nice. See? I wanted to have like a summer dress and...
We like to see it on, girl. Put it on.
Anyway. Looks pretty. This one is actually nice. Unexpected. It was also in sale. I remember it to be like 50 crowns. Anyway, so I bought 7 items. All in all, ang binayaran ko nasa almost 300 crowns. Okay na rin siya, guys. Kasi pag dito nyo talaga binili sa Denmark, mga ganito, each of this could be like 100 plus. Almost. So, okay siya. So, yun. Pero ito, ang ganda niya. Tapos, ang ganda ng tela niya. Ano ang Daisy. Lahat pala binili ko parang Daisy, yung parang pa-brand niya ba. Anyway, yun lang. Yung camera ko nagaganyan-ganon na. So, pag na-dead ito, ibig sabihin yung battery na dead. So,
But just to make sure, everybody here, the next time, there will be items from me.
Yeah, there will be items for you.
Yeah, that have to be. You promised, girl. You promised.
Yeah, that's gonna... Anyway, so yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Ganun lang.
And me, thank you for not getting anything from you and your order. Thank you so much for the nice package where there was nothing, for the hobby, the man of your life, and your dream. Nothing.
No, you're gonna have some later on. I just bought for myself because I need it. Like, I really need it. Like, my blouses are like, cannot fit anymore.
Oh, okay. You said it, girl.
Yeah,
You said
anyway. So yun, thank you so much for watching. And sana ma-enjoy nyo din yung inyong day today. I just got off from work. So medyo happy tayo kasi I got off from work. And then, yun. So see you next time pag may mga video na naman. Kasi for now, kailangan ko na umalis. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.